Blue Cool Air Conditioning specializes in providing air conditioning solutions for both domestic and corporate customers that will satisfy both their heating and cooling. We are committed to excellence and we treat every customer as a number one priority, offering quality workmanship and paying acute attention to all details of every project we undertake. The diligent nature of our workforce promises you precise installations, thorough servicing, quick and effective repairs. It is our aim to help customers find the perfect air conditioning solution that will fit both their needs and their pockets. We offer the following holistic services at affordable rates: new installations, relocation, repairs, services, maintenance, regas, and more. Please contact us on 078-493-3266 or email us at info@bluecool.co.zw or visit our website www